Today we're moving the stereo from a Chevrolet S10. This also applies to the Blazer. With our Phillips screwdriver, we're going to go to the left side of the steering column, just the lower first screw on the lower panel, on the left and on the right. Come back and move to the lower screws, one on the left and also one on the right. These four screws secure this front panel to the dash, and we want to grasp the edge of it and pull it back from the dash, releasing it from the dash. This panel will pull back and pretty much stay in place. This is going to give us access to two more mounting screws for the upper panel, one to the left side of the steering column, the other to the right side of the steering column. These secure the trim around the car stereo, including the one at the top of the gauges at the center of the steering column. With these three screws removed, move the steering column to a full down position, set the parking brake, shift to a lower gear, and disconnect the battery. Notice the location of the emergency flasher switch. We're going to start pulling this front panel off, and watch the emergency flasher switch so that you don't knock this off or break it. We're going to release the clips around the entire panel. This can be done with pull pressure. And we're going to slightly pull back the right side of the dash and push the tabs at the bottom and top of the airbag lock and push it through the front of the dash. This will allow us to disconnect this module as long as the battery is disconnected. Only connect the battery once this has been reconnected. Now we can remove the entire panel, watching the emergency flasher switch as you pull the panel from the dash up and away from the right side of the dash and over the steering column. We have a full library of removal guides on our website, carstereohelp.com, along with aftermarket stereo installations. For part 2 of this video, see our website. This is going to access two mounting screws for the car stereo, one on the left and one on the right, and this will allow you to pull the car stereo from the dash. The antenna is a pull to release. The two connectors have triggers. Squeeze the trigger into the connector to release the lock and remove. See our website for the aftermarket installation. Part 2. Please subscribe, and thank you for watching.